Hey folks, Matt here. When we moved over from Aussie, put all our stuff in a shipping container, the tape on this table saw got damaged. So I'm just going to replace it today. So a bit of heat on the tape to remove it easily with a heat gun, then some acetone and a bit of cloth to rub off the adhesive. Set the saw to roughly 0, put the tape back on, then after that we'll adjust the measuring window on the fence. Once that's at 0, then we'll take a test cut at 10 centimeters, and then check that measurement. After a couple of goes, we got it bang on, and now I'll be able to use this tape measure again. And it's accurate within probably half a mil, maybe even a little bit better than that. So that's good enough for me. If I want to be more accurate, then I can use other methods, but it's nice to just have that tape be correct. Cheers.